so this is starting a little late. Got some stretch tape back there. No sticks up here for the kids. Got a little seasoning already on there. Some onions on there. Now, got a little petite reds on there as well. Oh yes. Got our roasted little potatoes. Got our meat looking all nice and crispy and juicy. Onions caramelizing just nicely. Alright, let's get this out of here then. Oh yeah. So one side of the meat done nice and crispy. The other side still tender juicy. Get you a nice little crunch with your bite. Little mini baked potatoes with our grilled onions. Now, let's make the next item. Oh, looky there. Pretty vibrant coleslaw. Now, got us a little bit of Marie's original coleslaw dressing we're going to get on here as well. Alright, now that is ready. Now, the good china. Now, I don't know about you all, but that is a beautifully cooked through fajita steak. Crunchy, crispy, juicy. Look at this. Oh, all that juice. All right, now it's all done. Because we are being mindful of what we're watching, we are only getting a few little potatoes. Kids will get the rest. There we go. That's better. All right, time to enjoy.